Every morning, same brutal truth break your heart, confidence. But the damage was never on the surface. Deep beneath every strand, there is a world waiting to be woken. Miracle oil is poured into every hungry root that has been starved of life. Miracle serum wraps around every hair strand like a shield, protecting it from heat, pollution, free radicals. Miracle shampoo washes away the years of dandruff, dirt, and debris. Miracle conditioner nourishes your hair gently, making it all soft and strong. Now when you look in the mirror, you can't stop smiling because you finally feel the way your hair deserved to feel. Miracle hair, oil, serum, shampoo, conditioner. 4 miracles made from nature, made for you. Your hair's miracle was always there, waiting for you to find it.